energetic performance.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Pinipining Santiago 2022 and the production number. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Pinipining Santiago 2022.
Wow, ganda. Beautiful, guys. Santiago.
Thank you so much.
She's from Barangay Santiago.
And now, ladies and gentlemen,
Sorry, I was late.
Santiago number 3.
True just because we dream it. It's the hard work that makes things happen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Ronaldin Maymat Kadaa representing Barangay Don Leon Palante.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, number 3. And now, ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath to our beautiful Pinipining Santiago number 4. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, once
Iyak
again,
sa kamo.
Pini Santiago, number 4. A beauty that possesses of all. Ladies and gentlemen, the last but not in the list, Pini Santiago, number 4.
This is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for, guys. I like fashion shows. Ini kay dapat gaong kay bawat barangay dapat anhod sin mga local ano ba ing panguhaon the best ka Santiago.
Being like a queen is as simple as believing you are one. Ninya Luz Paglasang Pamakuan 18 Barangay PM Subragari Caraga Davao Oriental.
There you have it once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Pini Santiago number 5.
The best ka Barangay Santiago. I love this. I love their event, guys. Very nice.
That was our 5 Pini
Ang bongga Barangay Santiago. I love this.
Now the tour, Tamayo Horo, here at Barangay Santiago, Caraga, Davao Oriental. I was so amazed about the 5 dazzling lovely candidates and my new ethnic attire. Api ninyo kaunyong ko. Guwapa nga mga lumulobyo diri sa Barangay Santiago. Sa makausap, gusto nako ang inyong enerhiya pinaagi sa pagsigaw or pagsyagit o Madayaw Santiago. Okay lang ba? There you go.
No choice.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, once again, admit ye crowd, Madayaw Santiago.
Madayaw Santiago!
Corporate yung mga estudyante for sure wala
Ay,
baksa.
hindi na ko din nga sa ibig si Rino o si Rina.
I love this night.
Okay, but so much for the partner. We would like to acknowledge or recognize our distinguished guests who are Honorable Randy Bantakan Felix. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, joining us here tonight, the First Lady of the Municipality of Caraga. Palakpakan natin, napakaganda, napakasexy, o napakabukan ng First Lady, Madam Jo Osnan.
Dalakpakan naman siya.
Kaway-kaway naman dyan, ma'am. Ayan!
And of course, partner, without the support, the ever-dynamic supported barangay officials here at Barangay Santiago, headed by our Barangay Captain, Honorable Marilyn Bantayan Salvaron, inubanan sa atong mga Barangay Council.
Of course, recognize na po sila partner ko one by one kay nagbuyat po ni sila, kanya napagod po ba ni sila, no?
Dili po mahitabo ang tanan kung dili nila.
Yes, makapagita lang ingon kung adunay pagtinabangay mula ho.
Grabe, bongga Santiago.
And of course, joining us here for syempre, we also have Reverend Francis Siklos.
Isawan. Lam, mamadaig ka man barkada. Yabuang shout out Kiting and Kendrick. Diya ko no. Hoy, sinong yung Palmera na